Hey everyone! From August 16th to August 20th, we've got more exciting celebrations to cover. In this video, I'll give you short descriptions of each event, along with perfect gift ideas. And if you love the recommendations, check the links in the description to grab the gifts. Let's jump right in. August 16th. First up, it's National Tell a Joke Day. Laughter is the best gift of all. Share joke books or quirky gag gifts to brighten someone's day. Next, National Roller Coaster Day. Celebrates thrill seekers everywhere. Gift amusement park tickets or coaster-themed merchandise. And lastly, World Bratwurst Day is a savory celebration. Share gourmet sausage kits or grilling tools. August 17th. National Thrift Shop Day is perfect for sustainable shopping and vintage treasures. Gift secondhand finds or reusable shopping totes. Next, National Black Cat Appreciation Day. Busts old myths and celebrates these sleek beauties. Share cat-themed gifts or donate to animal shelters. And finally, Baby Boomers Recognition Day. Honors a generation of strength and experience. Gift nostalgic items or thoughtful appreciation tokens. August 18th, National Fajita Day. Brings sizzling flavor to the table. Gift cast iron skillets or fajita spice kits. Next, National Ice Cream Pie Day. Is sweet from start to finish. Share frozen pie samplers or dessert-making tools. And lastly, National Mail Order Catalog Day. Is a retro nod to shopping history. Gift vintage catalogs or print-themed home decor. Enjoying the video? Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more videos like this. And share this video with your friends. Let them know about these fun celebrations. August 19th. World Photography Day is a snapshot of creative expression. Gift instant cameras, photography books, or accessories. Next, National Potato Day is the perfect reason to carve up. Share gourmet potato snacks or quirky kitchen tools. And finally, International Bow Day. Celebrates the art of accessorizing. Gift stylish hair bows, bow ties, or craft kits. August 20th, National Radio Day. Honors the timeless power of sound. Share retro radios or podcasting gear. Next, World Mosquito Day. Raises awareness about disease prevention. Gift mosquito-repelling gadgets or donate to global health programs. And lastly, National Chocolate Pecan Pie Day is rich, nutty perfection. Share baking kits or decadent pie samplers. And there you have it. Celebrations from August 16th to August 20th. Each with a thoughtful gift idea. Be sure to check the links in the description to purchase any of the featured gifts. Don't forget to watch our daily videos for more detailed descriptions of these amazing events. See you tomorrow.